Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube using a Friedrich layer by layer method. Now the first step we're going to do is we're going to make a face with the corresponding layer to it. And then once we do that, we orient the top, which will leave us with a PLL. After we get this PLL case, we will solve it, and that solves the cube. 3 steps. With this method, you can get times from 2 seconds to sub 10 roughly. With this method, I generally average about 5 or 6 seconds. However, you can get OLL and PLL skips, which makes it faster than Ortega at sometimes. This isn't a beginner's method, so if this is the first time you're learning 2x2, I recommend you don't watch this video. However, if you already know how to solve the 2x2 and you use Friedrich method / CFOP for 3x3, you should be fine. So first thing you need to know is notation, which you should already know because this isn't necessarily for beginners. Front is F, right, left, up, down, back. Make sure you know the notation even if you have it down. And also remember, X follows R, Y follows U, and Z follows F. That's just important to know in general. Now it's time to mix up your cube. Once you've mixed it up, look to see which side you can make the fastest with the layer. So as you can see here, I have green and white, but because it's a tutorial, we're just going to do the white side. So we'll just put that there, and that one there. Pretty easy. Now, you should already know how to do that because this is a Friedrich method of 2x2, and you should know how to solve a 3x3, which is just corners. So now that you've done that, it's time to do OLL. OLL stands for orient the last layer. So like this case, you'd go from this to this, and then you just do a PLL and solve it. Pretty easy. We're going to go over each step now. This is the first case. You have 2 yellow here, and then headlights. This one, you hold the headlights on the left side, and you do this algorithm. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Now orient the last layer. This is the next case. Similar to the first case, it has headlights, but these two are facing opposite of each other. You do the same algorithm, but you repeat the 4 middle moves twice. So it's F, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, then F prime. And that will get you your O. In this case, you're going to have a bar on the yellow, and then these two are opposite of each other. Hold it with the 2 yellow bar on top, and do this algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R, F prime. That will get you your OLL. This OLL case, here's how you do this one. So you're going to have 2 headlights. Hold them in front and in back. Now there's 2 ways you can do this. Here's the easy way. You do an F, R, U, R prime, U, 3 times. R, U, R prime, U, R prime, F, R prime, U, F prime. That will get it. Alright, so this is the second one, how to do this algorithm. Remember, there's headlights in front, headlights in back. Just hold it with the headlights in front of you. What you're going to do is you're going to do R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. That will get your OLL. And then you just move on to PLL. The last 2 OLL cases on the 2x2 are my favorites. We have the soon and the anti-soon algorithms. So let's start off with the soon. You're going to want to hold the top yellow that's oriented correctly and the UFL face. So right here. And you're going to have this facing you. This is how you really recognize it. Or you could just check these. They all follow each other. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to do R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. That will get you your OLL. The anti-soon, I do it opposite. I do the left-handed version. So it's L prime, U prime, L, U prime, L prime, U2, L. That gets the job done. and then you get all of your OLLs. Once you've done OLL, the last case is PLL. There are 4 different situations you can get. You can get in PLL skip where it's all in the right spot, or PLL skip where it's like maybe off by like 1 or 2 turns. Those are very easy, but these 2 are the 2 PLLs that you really just need to know. So this one is a diagonal swap. These 2 need to swap, as we can see here. This one is an adjacent swap. They're next to each other. They need to swap. First one we'll go over is the adjacent swap. So this one, people may use a T-perm, J-perm, or A-perm. To set up as an A-perm, you just turn one of these where it's in the right spot and you do an A-perm. Now, I use a J-perm for this. And the algorithm I use is R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U2, L prime, U, R, U prime, L. That'll get your job done, and boom, you just solved your 2x2. For the diagonal swap PLL, people may use a Y-perm or a V-perm. I use a V-perm because I can execute it faster than I can a Y-perm. So here's the algorithm I use. R prime, U, R prime, G prime, R prime, F prime, R2, U prime, R prime, U, R prime, F, R, F. There you have it. I hope that you found this video tutorial informative and helpful. If you enjoyed it, like and favorite. Also subscribe if you would like to see some more videos coming out soon.